Hey everyone, and welcome back to our series where we dive deep into India's top mutual funds. In this episode, we're shining a light on the Axis Multicap Fund, a scheme that promises diversification across market caps and sectors. This fund follows a multi-cap investment philosophy that focuses on returns through allocation across large, mid, and small cap segments. It maintains disciplined exposure to each segment and seeks to capture investment opportunities across company sizes. The approach includes investing in businesses at different stages of growth and managing risk through diversification. It aims to include ideas based on potential rather than size, supporting a broad participation across market cycles. You can explore our previous videos by clicking the info button, where we've covered mutual fund schemes from various AMCs like Motilal Oswal, Quant, DSP AMC, HDFC AMC, and many more. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know, including the fund's basic details, investment strategy, portfolio composition by market cap, holdings and sectors, insights about the fund manager, investment details including fees and lock-in periods, returns generated, performance attributes, and tax implications on your earnings from the Axis Multicap Fund. Let's start with the fund analysis. But first, a quick introduction to PA Wealth. We're an investment services group offering stocks PMS, mutual funds, alternative investment funds, insurance, startup investments, raising funds via SME IPOs and bond markets, and assisting investors for Dubai real estate investments. We upload research videos on different companies, mutual funds, and financial topics every week. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest market trends and potential multi-bagger stocks. Let's start with the basic details. This scheme was launched on 17th of December 2021. This mutual fund scheme currently manages assets worth of around 6,979 crores. The investment objective is to generate long-term capital appreciation by investing in a diversified portfolio of equity and equity-related instruments across market capitalization. Now, let's move on to the investment strategy. The Axis Multicap Fund invests across large, mid, and small cap segments to manage risk and ensure diversification. It captures opportunities across different company stages and sizes while maintaining segment-wise allocation. The fund avoids market timing and stays invested to participate in market cycles. Let's look at the portfolio mix by market cap size. In the fund's portfolio composition, large cap stocks make up 40.81% of the total allocation, while mid-cap stocks account for 26.22% and small-cap stocks comprise 25.07%. The remaining 7.9% is allocated to cash and equivalents. Now let's delve into the top 5 holdings of the fund. Here are the top 5 holdings of the Axis Multicap Fund. These are HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Reliance, Blue Star and Persistent System. Let's now look at the top 5 sector exposures. Here's a breakdown of its top 5 sector exposures, which includes finance, healthcare, capital goods, automobile and auto components, and consumer durables. Now let's look at the fund managers of the scheme. The current fund managers are Nitin Arora, Shreyansh Devalkar, and Hitesh Das. Here's a brief overview of their roles. First, we have Nitin Arora. Nitin Arora has been managing the fund since 26 May 2023. He holds an MSc in Finance and Investments and brings with him a diverse background in financial services. Prior to joining Axis Mutual Fund, he gained experience across reputed firms including Aviva Life Insurance, MK Global Financial Services, Nirmal Bang Institutional Equities, and Bloomberg UTV. His multifaceted industry exposure supports his approach to active fund management. Next, we have Shreyansh Devalkar. Shreyansh Devalkar has been managing the fund since 1st March 2023. He holds a B.Tech from UDCT Mumbai and a PGDM in Management from JBIMS Mumbai University. Before joining Axis Mutual Fund, he worked with BNP Paribas Mutual Fund as a fund manager and held roles at IDFC Capital, JP Morgan Services India, and Kalyan Bank. Lastly, we have Hitesh Das. Hitesh Das has been managing the fund since 26 May 2023. He holds a PGDM, M.Tech, and B.Tech. Before joining Axis Mutual Fund, he worked with Barclays Securities India, Credit Suisse Securities India, Businessware India, and Yes Bank. His experience spans across roles in financial services, investment research, and technology solutions. Now let's take a look at the investment details of the fund. With a minimum investment of 100 in lump sum and 100 in SIP. It has no lock-in period, but a 1% exit load applies if more than 10% of the investment is redeemed or switched out within 12 months from the date of allotment. Redemptions beyond 12 months are not subject to any exit load. Let's look at the returns generated by the fund. The fund has delivered a negative 4.31% return in the last 6 months, while the benchmark has given a negative 3.88% return. And in 1 year, the fund has delivered 11.91%, outperforming its benchmark, which posted a 5.17% return, and it delivered a 16.23% per annum return since inception, outperforming its benchmark, which posted a 15.2% return as of the 6th of May 2025. Now, let's look at the performance attributes of the fund. The fund has a beta of 0.91, reflecting lower sensitivity to market movements, and the Sharpe ratio of 0.90 indicates return generation relative to risk taken. With a standard deviation of 15.11%, now let's take a look at the taxability of earnings from this mutual fund. First, capital gains taxation. If the mutual fund stocks are sold after 1 year from the date of investment, gains up to Rs 1.25 lakh in a financial year are exempt from tax. Gains over Rs 1.25 lakh are taxed at the rate of 12.5%. If the mutual fund stocks are sold within 1 year from the date of investment, the entire amount of gain is taxed at the rate of 20%. Second, dividend taxation. Dividends are added to the income of the investors and taxed according to their respective tax slabs. If an investor's dividend income exceeds Rs 5,000 in a financial year or 10,000 after the 1st of April 2025, the fund house also deducts a TDS of 10% before distributing the dividend. That's all for today. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more research-based financial content. Don't forget to click the bell icon for alerts on potential multi-bagger stocks. Got a mutual fund scheme in mind that you want us to cover? Just let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Keep investing and keep growing your wealth with PA Wealth.